all the things that my father, it's still with me. Because to me, that's something.
My dad has accepted the fact that the world has moved on. It's not maybe just so much because of the business. Honestly, he comes here because when he's here, he sees my, he feels close to his mom and dad, my grandparents.
Kasi para sa akin, it's a way of life na sa akin eh. Parang natutunan ko na pang-araw-araw na gawain ko na masunod ko yung mga kagustuhan nila. Masayang-masaya ako. Parang kasama ko magulang ko.